welcome to my YouTube channel Techgrantha. So today we are going to understand about the 5 basic query about the Splunk, which is most commonly used for the beginners. So the first query is related to the basic search. So the purpose of that, like if you are going to search uh, the values on the main index, so just you need to write down the query in the Splunk is like the index is equal to main. So it will extract the events from the main index. Second query is related to the search. If suppose we need to find out the error, then you need to just go on the Splunk and just write index is equal to main error, so it will be debug the keyword of the error and it will provide the informations. If you go on the query number 3, so there is like if we are going to find the values 30 minute prior, 30 minute late something, just type the index is equal to web earliest equal to minus 30, which will give the from last 30 minutes value it will be provided. And from the status code you want to check, just change with the index is equal to web and status equal to 404. So whatever the error values will be related to the 404, it will give the information about those error. And the last query is like if you want to count the values at total events, then you need to just mention stats equal to stats count, then it will give the count values which is getting match with the event. Okay, so those are the 5 common queries we will read for more queries also. Time being, you can just subscribe the video on there and just share the videos to so many friends, and just comment in the comment box the use plugin start and let me know like what are the things you want to learn. Thank you so much.